What is a trademark? A word, name, or symbol that identifies and distinguishes your goods and services from others and identifies the source of the goods. That sounds a little bit scholastic, doesn't it? Sometimes the way to learn about it is learning about it in contrast. So let's contrast trademark from copyright. This gets juxtaposed with a lot of people. So a trademark attaches symbols to the owner, whereas in contrast, a copyright is a bundle of rights that attach to content creation. So let's say you write a book. The contents of that book you would copyright, the name of the book you would trademark. A musician would copyright the song and trademark the band name. So I looked it up. I looked up Pearl Jam on the USPTO. The name is trademarked, but all their songs are individually copyrighted. Separate government agencies, totally separate things. They're under the umbrella, the label of intellectual property, but they are different animals. I could give you more and more examples of that. Let's say you've got a blog. So the content of your blog, all of your posts, that would be copyrighted, but the name of your blog would be trademarked. Same thing if you had a video content. Wonderful question. The answer is you have a common law copyright at the time of creation. So the moment you make it and it's fixed to some kind of a medium, you have what's called a common law copyright, meaning that it's enforceable under state law, but you don't have a federal registration. And so what I have to say about common law trademarks applies equally to copyright. And I don't know if you saw at the beginning, I put a little copyright sign on mine. So you don't have to, this isn't a copyright seminar, but you don't have to put the circle C to have a copyright, just like you don't have to put a TM on your trademark. You have it anyways, but it's a way of putting the world on notice. This is mine, don't take it. Does anybody know the difference between circle R and TM? The circle R means it's federally registered. And if you don't have it, and then so TM means you're claiming exclusive rights, but it's not federally registered. So TM is really a common law trademark. And then circle R is an actual registered one. And so for me, it's kind of a hobby of mine. When I see brand names, I look for the circle R or the TM. And then sometimes when I see TM, I kind of trademark stock. It's just a habit of mine. I like doing it, it's fun. I look them up. I could do it on my phone. SM means service mark. So trademark is for goods, SM is for services. Functionally, it's the same thing. There's really not a substantive difference between them. But you're in a much stronger footing if you have a federal registration. And if you use circle R and you're not federally registered, that can come back and bite you later. So don't do it unless you've actually earned it.